Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. Scroll down and you will see flight mode is here. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on this button, turn off this button, turn on this button, turn off this button, turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on this first option, app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search messages app from here. You will see message app is here. Click on message app and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean, and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix invalid destination address on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.